Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive outstanding Nakshi Katha sarees collections only for you. For more collections, please visit our Kolkata showroom. So let me display today's collections. All are very bright, fresh color combinations. This one is dark, fresh navy blue shade with all over fine hand pricked Nakshi Katha design work. And main base is silk material, semi Bangalore silk, very soft one, lightweight premium quality silk material, easy drapable, and all over heavy contrast color threaded hand pricked katha stitch design work, fully hand pricked work, Nakshi Katha hand stitch. This one is pallu portions, bright looks, bright fresh navy blue shade with all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design. And this one full base part all over stripes pattern design and fully Nakshi Katha design work, very nice and trendy looks. Running blouse piece and which is the silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also same material, semi Bangalore silk, premium quality soft silk material with all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design work, bright fresh red shade with beautiful hand pricked katha stitch design work. This one is border portions, contrast white threaded hand pricked katha work, fully hand stitch design all over katha buta fresh looks. This one is full base part all over Nakshi Katha design heavy work, running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, beautiful katha stitch design heavy worked pallu, very bright and trendy looks, Nakshi Katha Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha design. And this silk material with Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also same material, semi Bangalore silk, premium quality silk material all over hand katha work, Gujarati katha stitch design work, very fresh and bright looks. This one is full base part pink shade with all over hand pricked katha stitch design heavy worked border all over katha buta pallu also Gujarati design katha Gujarati worked pallu. And very soft one, lightweight semi Bangalore silk, premium quality silk material, very soft one, easy drapable. And this one is pallu portions, fully katha Gujarati heavy design worked pallu. And this one full base part, very soft, lightweight, easy drapable, bright looks, best for your festive wear. This one is border portions and running blouse piece, also katha Gujarati work. And this is the silk material, fully brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Same material, very bright color combinations, red shade, bright red shade, fresh red with all over hand pricked katha stitch design work, red and white threaded contrast white threaded hand pricked katha work. Same material, semi Bangalore silk, soft silk, easy drapable, bright looks, all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design heavy work. This one full border portions, beautiful katha stitch design heavy worked border all over buta, running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked katha stitch design worked pallu, Nakshi Katha Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha, fully hand pricked katha work. And all over pallu portions, heavy katha stitch design, fully hand stitch. And this one is border portions and very soft one, lightweight, and it is the silk material, heavy Banarasi brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright looks. And next one also very beautiful design work, same material, semi Bangalore silk, dark navy blue shade with beautiful hand pricked katha stitch design work. This one is full base part all over katha work, trendy and smart looks, beautiful contrast color threaded hand pricked katha stitch design work, semi Bangalore silk, soft silk, easy drapable. And this one all over base base border portions, beautiful katha stitch design, heavy worked border, and this portion is upper base part to pallu end, all over heavy work nakshi katha, running blouse piece, border work, katha stitch design, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand picked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, and this cotton fabric fully brocade weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant and bright looks. And next one also Gujarati katha work, elegant color combinations, soft one, semi Bangalore silk but easy drapable, soft silk, bright looks, and this one full base part all over nakshi katha buta, border also katha stitch design, heavy worked border, fully hand pricked katha work, katha Gujarati work all over katha buta, very bright and trendy looks. This one is full border portions, katha stitch design, and this one is running blouse piece, katha stitch design, nakshi katha, and pallu also same heavy nakshi katha Gujarati pattern, nakshi katha design work, fully hand work, and this is silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one premium quality pure silk material with silk mark, pure premium quality Bangalore silk with silk mark, and nakshi katha design work, very fresh and bright looks, royal blue shade with diagonally katha work, multicolor threaded hand pricked katha stitch design work, and main base part is pure silk material with silk mark, and this one is border portions, multicolor threaded fine katha stitch design worked border, fully katha work, hand stitch hand pricked katha work, and pure silk material, running blouse piece also border work, and all over diagonally katha stitch design, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, and material is pure silk with silk mark, all over katha work, bright and elegant looks, and this is silk material, mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Nice color combinations, bright one, and pure silk material with silk mark, fine silk, pure Bangalore silk with silk mark, and all over nakshi katha design work, Bengal traditional nakshi katha with beautiful design work. This one is pallu portions, fine hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, and all over katha work, contrast color threaded hand pricked katha stitch design work, and pure silk material with silk mark, all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy work. This one is all over same heavy work, and Bengal traditional nakshi katha, running blouse piece, and this is the silk material, heavy mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also same material, pure silk premium quality, pure silk with silk mark, pure silk with all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design work, white threaded contrast white threaded hand pricked katha work. This one is pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, all over katha work, soft one, pure silk, premium quality, pure Bangalore silk with silk mark, and lightweight obviously pure silk, and all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design work, border also contrast color threaded hand pricked katha work, hand stitch design, and this one running blouse piece also border work, katha stitch design worked border, and this is silk material, mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree and royal blue shade, very bright looks, best for your festive wear. And this one fresh bright red shade, pure silk, pure Bangalore silk, premium quality with silk mark, and all over fine hand pricked katha stitch design work, very nice looks. This one is full base part, bright red shade with beautiful katha stitch design buta, and all over border portions, fine hand pricked katha stitch design, heavy work nakshi katha, Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha and premium quality soft material pure silk with silk mark and all over Katha stitch design. Very elegant and bright looks based for your festive wear. This one is running blouse piece and this one is a full base part of pallu portions all over heavy hand pricked Katha stitch design work. This one is pallu. Very soft one, lightweight pure silk with silk mark, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright festive looks. Very beautiful color combinations, wine shade, premium quality pure silk, pure Bangalore silk with silk mark and all over fine hand prick Katha stitch design work. Very elegant looks. This one is full base part all over hand pricked Katha stitch design work and pure silk material with silk mark, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color threaded hand pricked Katha stitch design heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions all over Katha buta border also fine hand pricked Katha stitch design heavy worked border. This one is border portions and all over Katha buta fresh looks pure silk with silk mark, and this one running blouse piece also Katha stitch design worked running blouse piece, and this one is all over piece. Very elegant looks pure silk with silk mark based for your festive wear, and I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And next one also a same material pure silk material, pure Bangalore silk with silk mark and fresh royal blue shade with all over heavy fine hand pricked Katha stitch design work diagonally work contrast color threaded hand pricked Katha stitch design heavy work all over saree. Very beautiful and bright looks. Bengal traditional Nakshi Katha fully hand Katha stitch design and material is pure Bangalore silk with silk mark. This one is running blouse piece Katha stitch design work running blouse piece, and this one is full base part diagonally work all over saree and pallu heavy fine hand pricked Katha stitch design work. This one is pallu portions pure silk material lightweight obviously silk mark, and I will suggest the silk material mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and bright looks. And next one very elegant looks pure material pure silk pure Bangalore silk with all over baby pink shade with all over fine hand pricked Katha stitch design work. This one full base part all over Katha stitch design of white and white contrast threaded Katha work. This one is border portions beautiful fine hand pricked Katha stitch design work diagonally work all over base Bangalore silk pure silk with silk mark, and this one full base part all over Katha stitch design. This one is running blouse piece heavy work, and this one pallu portions beautiful fine hand pricked Katha stitch design heavy worked pallu and very lightweight pure silk with silk mark, and this is silk material heavy mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Very nice looks bright color combinations, but art silk material art silk with all over fine hand pricked Katha work all over base hand Katha stitch design buta work orange shade border also Nakshi Katha design hand pricked Katha stitch design work. Main base is art silk soft one easy drapable, and this one is pallu portions beautiful fine hand pricked Katha stitch design worked pallu all over base Katha buta bright looks. This one is all over base border also Katha stitch design and running blouse piece, and which is the silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also same material art silk material all over Nakshi Katha design work bright royal blue shade with beautiful fine hand pricked Katha stitch design work. This one all over Katha buta border also Nakshi Katha design work, and this portion is fully different pattern hand pricked Katha stitch design work. This one is split section fully different pattern all over and running blouse piece border kantha stitch design work, and this portion is upper base part to pallu in buta pattern design. Very smart looks. Main base is art silk with nakshi katha design work, and pallu heavy hand picked kantha stitch design work, and such is the silk material mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also, same material, same pattern, art silk base with beautiful fine hand pricked kantha stitch design work all over saree, kantha stitch design, bright looks. This one is pallu portions fully contrast color threaded hand picked kantha stitch design, heavy worked pallu, and this portion is upper base part katha buta design, very bright looks, and royal blue shade art silk material with nakshi katha design. This portion is split sections fully all over different pattern katha stitch design work. This one is splits, and this one is upper base part to pallu in buta pattern design, and this is the silk material fully Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, elegant, obviously pure tussar silk, handloom tussar silk with silk mark and nakshi katha design work, very elegant looks, pure tussar color also, tussar silk with beautiful fine hand picked katha stitch design work, nakshi katha. This one is all over border portions, fine hand picked kantha stitch design, heavy work, colorful threaded hand picked kantha work, and bean base part is tussar silk. This one is running blouse piece, border work, and pallu also beautiful heavy fine hand pricked kantha stitch design worked pallu. This one is pallu portion, tussar silk, pure tussar silk with silk mark, and all over heavy fine hand pricked kantha stitch design work, tussar with kantha stitch design hand pricked work, and this is the silk material heavy self brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Nice color combinations, beautiful kantha stitch design work, and pure tussar silk with silk mark, all over fine hand pricked kantha work, and very elegant, obviously pure tussar silk with silk mark, and all over fine contrast color threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy work. This one is pallu portions, floral pattern design, and fully hand pricked katha work, fine work. This one is pallu, and base is pure tussar silk with silk mark, and all over diagonally katha stitch design work all over saree, very elegant and bright looks, pure tussar color also with all over hand pricked kantha stitch design work, diagonally work all over base, running blouse piece, border work, katha work, fully hand pricked kantha stitch design work, base is pure tussar silk with silk mark, and this is cotton fabric, fully heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one also nice color combinations, cream shade, and main base is pure tussar silk with silk mark, and all over heavy fine hand pricked kantha stitch design work, floral pattern hand pricked kantha work, colorful threaded kantha stitch design work, pure silk, pure tussar silk with silk mark, handloom tussar silk, and this one full base part all over fine hand pricked kantha stitch design work, fine material, and this one full base part diagonally work all over saree, fine hand pricked kantha stitch design work, fully hand katha work. This one is running blouse piece, and all over diagonally kantha stitch design work all over saree, and so this is cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Same material, pure tussar silk with silk mark, all over fine hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy work all over saree, diagonally work, floral hand pricked kantha stitch design work. This one full base part, pure tussar silk with silk mark, and fine hand pricked heavy work, katha work, nakshi katha design, Bengal traditional nakshi katha, and this one is border portions, fully contrast color threaded hand pricked kantha stitch design work, stripes pattern design, and this one is running blouse piece and diagonally work all over saree, very elegant looks, and pure tussar silk with silk mark. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful heavy fine hand picked katha stitch design worked pallu, and I will suggest this cotton fabric katha work, nakshi katha work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant looks. And today I have kept a beautiful bright color saree and pure material, pure silk, pure Bangalore silk, dark bottle green shade with silk mark, and all over, fine hand picked katha stitch design work all over saree, same work, diagonally work. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color, threaded fine hand picked katha stitch design, heavy worked pallu all over saree work, but lightweight, obviously pure silk, premium quality pure silk material, and dark bottle green shade, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.